Sometimes be careful of how politics can affect a person who might be considered a sheikh. Did you hear what I said? Sometimes be careful of how politics could affect a person who might be considered a sheikh. You will be surprised of the change of opinions based on political swaying. And yet, you looked at the sheikh as a very, very unwavering person. How did they end up swaying? So you just have to watch out. That's all. Consider it. Nobody from amongst us is a Nabi of Allah. What did I tell you earlier? I said, Wallahi, if you hear something from me, even today, that doesn't sit nicely on your chest, throw it out. Don't hate me. I'm just explaining something. It's not haram for me to say what I just said. But throw it out. Say, look, there we don't agree, but Sheikh is a good Sheikh, but I don't agree with X, Y, Z. So there's nothing wrong with that. Who told you? I started off this talk by saying we're all different. All of us, we have different minds. My understanding of things will definitely be different than yours. And there will be so many differences. But we overlap certain things. And if there is something that I said that is totally wrong, throw it right out. Maybe you might have an opportunity to let me know, to ask me, to tell me. And like I said, don't believe everything you hear and see on social media. Wallahi, it's a joke sometimes. People fabricate. ينتسبون القول إلى غير قائله. They try to relate something to a person who didn't say it. And it's not only taken out of context, sometimes it's fabricated. If they could create fabrications and lies at the time of Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and just after that, don't you think we are living in a worse environment? They don't do anything. They have something called a deep fake. Have you seen them? The deep fake videos. They move your lips and your eyes and everything and make you say something with a voice that's almost like yours. And people can get confused.